Euoplocephalus stomps along, swinging its heavy tail. This tough beast had bony plates on its skin to protect it. A terrifying roar rings out. Tyrannosaurus Rex is coming. T-Rex hunted smaller dinosaurs to eat. It had sharp teeth as big as bananas. Diplodocus plods along on its big feet. Diplodocus stretched its long neck up high to reach juicy leaves in the treetops. Here comes Stegosaurus, with large, bony plates along its back. This huge creature munched plants all day long. Ichthyosaurus swims through the ocean, searching for squid and fish to eat. Ichthyosaurus had huge eyes and very good hearing. Saurolophus stands very still and listens for danger. This dinosaur had a bony crest on its head, which it used to make a loud sound. A huge Spinosaurus lumbers through the hot, steamy swamp. The spines on this dinosaur's back were shaped like a fan. Big and bold, Triceratops is ready to charge at anything in its way. This fierce beast used its sharp horns to protect itself from hungry meat eaters. Pterodactyl swoops through the air, screeching loudly. Good eyesight helped pterodactyls catch flying insects to eat. This gentle giant ate plants, gobbling them up without even chewing. With its extra long neck, Brachiosaurus towers above most of the other dinosaurs.